How would making an extra $150 or $200 a day sound? In this video, I'm going to break down a trade that myself and my group was able to take. I was able to make $750, and some individuals in my group were also able to catch this very same trade. Sorry. Oh, you hesitated. Okay, you got me accused. All right, if you got any trade today, Amazon or Q's or SPY, type me in the chat. Any trade that you just caught, type me in the chat. All right. Congrats, y'all. Congrats. Very nice. Very nice. What I want to make very, very clear, to make the kind of returns I'm talking about, no one has a huge account size, guys. I want to make sure you understand that all you need is a simple strategy that you can follow day in and day out to make returns like this, all right? So what I'm going to do in this video, I'm going to break it down on the charts, and I'm actually going to show you in real time us taking the trade, all right? But before we get there, could you do me a quick favor and give me likes so you can help me get this video to 1,000 likes, all right? And if you want to know more about options trading and see my screen live daily and take trades just like this with me live, all you got to do is check out the description box below for my Discord link, or simply type Discord in the comments, all right? So guys, let's go right into the chart so we can break this trade down. This is the exact strategy that I was able to use day in and day out to leave my 9 to 5 as an elementary school teacher and trade full time. So I want y'all to understand the sauce that you're going to be getting on this breakdown, and understand that I don't gatekeep. I don't gatekeep because I understand what it's like to, want to find something else, right? Know you deserve more, and the paycheck is not doing it, right? So guys, I am so grateful for the opportunity to break this down for you and understand that you can stack these wins, right? Stack these wins just like how I'm showing you we were able to win on this trade. You can stack these wins and change your life one trade at a time. So I hope this gives you the desire and the excitement to understand that you can change your life, right? And possibly the opportunity that you've been looking for. All right. So without further ado, let's get right into it. All right, so first things first, we're on the 2-minute time frame and we're looking at Amazon, and some of these yellow lines, right, y'all, are levels, right? And I mark my levels daily for the group and I drop them in the group, but the 4 levels that I cannot live without, obviously, are pre-market high, pre-market low, yesterday's high, yesterday's low. Okay, so I have these levels here, and let's go ahead and play the chart so you can see what happens. All right, so market open, and we have a break of pre-market low, which is good for a possible put, right? So we're looking to say, hey, we might playing the downside, right? All right, y'all, not in the trade yet, just seeing a nice trend down, waiting for my entry point. Okay, and I see that it hit one of my levels, which is cool. All right, so this is what we see is a pullback. And what this part here now, guys, I see a flag forming, right? And I'm going to highlight that for you here, right? Boom, right? And since we are in a downtrend, my friends, I'm going to be looking for a break of this to the downside, and we'd be entering on the break, right? And you remember, we don't enter into a trade without a stop loss. So our stop loss would just simply be on the other side of that break. All right. So let's go ahead and let me play it back. Not in the trade yet, right? And boom, yes, we're in the trade at this level here. Remember, stop loss is simply on the other side. So we're looking to go down to this 166.79 level here to be able to take profit. Nice play, nice play to the downside. Boom, was able to take profit right there. And my next profit is here at 165.97. All right. Something I want to point out when it comes to take profit, you might be not aware of what that means, guys. So this is totally up to you. This is just what I do, right? Whatever total amount of contracts you purchase at your first profit target is where I like to take 50% of my profit, right? What does that mean? That simply means to lower my position size by 50%. So if I buy 10 contracts, I would sell 5. Right? So here I took profit 50% of my profits thus far, right? And so I still have 50% of my position size to go ahead and continue to maximize the move. What I call those runners, okay? Just think of them as little people to continue to get you money out of the market, right? Because in this case, if the play goes in your favor, it benefits you to make sure you still have a position size in the play that's still going. All right, so we still have runners in the game, right? So we're looking to, like I said, go to the next profit target at 165.97 and see where this play is able to continue to go. And yes, I was able to sell off the rest of my position size here. And what a textbook, beautiful move to the downside. Couldn't ask for a better setup. So guys, simple. Trading is simple. You just need a simple strategy. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I wanted to just point out that you do not need a large account to take trades like this and make these kind of returns, okay? All you really truly need, guys, is a simple strategy that you can implement and you can learn and you can take trades, all right? So if you want to be able to see my screen and learn how to actually trade, make sure you comment the word Discord or just go ahead and click the link in the description box below. Trading is simple, guys. You just need a strategy, and you know your girl got you, all right? So if you haven't given me a thumbs up, go ahead and do that and hit that subscribe button because I make videos like this all the time. All right, I'll see you on the next one.